This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the minimal project. Create index. HTML and any assets in a single folder, then open that folder in VS Code. Next, install or enable Live Server. This gives you a quick local HTTP view so relative paths behave correctly. Once done, focus the editor on index. HTML and confirm the status bar shows the port or live server icon. This prepares VS Code to serve your page, rather than just showing raw file contents in the editor. Now you launch the page. Click Go Live or choose Open with Live Server. VS Code will open the page in your browser or internal preview. Make sure you use the browser for things like service workers or complex CSS. The preview is great for quick checks. Once loaded, open Developer Tools to watch console errors, network requests, and element styles. This tells you why something renders wrong. If you edit the file, Live Server auto-reloads, so you can iterate instantly. Finish by saving and verifying edits appear after a reload. Live Server should hot reload automatically. If the page still looks wrong, systematically check file paths, ensure tags are closed, and confirm linked CSS/JS return 200 in the network panel. Make sure you're not opening the file via file, // which breaks modules, and fetch. You need HTTP, //. If things still fail, the single most useful troubleshooting step is to open the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.